You caught me off guard. I was still producing my show, but let's get back to some radar right now. Hey, how's everybody doing on your Thursday evening? Everyone had a good week so far? Hopefully some of you all tapped into some scattered showers and thunderstorms, and I'll bet those that did, well, you live east of 75 and closer towards Lake O, because that's where all the activity has been, and that's likely in the trend, likely going to be to continue off the work week for tomorrow. But as of right now, Wink Doppler basically scanning the skies, highlighting dry conditions. Got one little blip of blue in extreme southeastern Henry. This is slowly drifting to the east. All of us will remain calm and quiet late tonight and into early tomorrow morning. Unfortunately, we really didn't add much to the rain gauge this afternoon. We did have a couple localized areas of some moderate to heavy rain, but generally speaking in southwest Florida, didn't really get much of a gulp of moisture this afternoon. But we have had some pretty impressive rain totes over the last 5 days. And the reason I'm showing you this and highlighting this, I mean, check out the radar estimates over the last 5 days, especially in our inland zones. Deeper greens to some of those reds right there, indicating between around 2 to upwards of about 5 to 6 inches of rain. Now, the reason I'm showing you this is because we just had our drought monitor update this morning, and I was literally expecting the exact opposite of what we are dealing with. We now have actually expanded our extreme drought coverage, which really isn't a surprise from 75 towards the coastline. We've been stinking bone dry. But in our inland communities, in this general area, I really was anticipating some improving conditions, but comparative to last week to now, not much has changed. So we'll wait till the rain bucket to fill up once again over the next 7 days. Hopefully this will come into fruition. Over the next 7 days, about 1 to 2 inches of rainfall is expected in southwest Florida, which is some good news. Outside numbers right now in the upper 70s and lower to mid 80s. It is mild, it is humid out, but it is currently dry. And I expect 0 opportunities for showers tomorrow morning. A few clouds, it'll be a humid start, but it's finally Friday, so let's all boogie down for that. Lower 70s inland, mid to upper 70s, lower 80s closer to the coastline. We start dry tomorrow morning. By around the lunch time frame, you might start to see 1 or 2 little isolated showers develop in or near 75, and then they get pushed inland. But notice the coverage tomorrow, rather limited. So I'm just going a couple chances of isolated inland storms tomorrow. Besides that, it's really going to be a fantastic Friday if you don't mind. Temps topping out in the low to mid 90s area-wide. Then you sprinkle on dews in the low to mid 70s. Those potential expected feel-like numbers tomorrow in the low 100s. So it's definitely going to be feeling very, very hot. But hey, it's basically summertime southwest Florida. We know the drill. Mainly dry during the coast, isolated storms in our inland zones. However, there is change on the way, and hopefully we can get some wet weather during our coastline areas, all thanks to a subtle weak cold front that's going to kind of stall out to the north of us Saturday morning, and that's going to disrupt the wind pattern flow, and that will allow scattered storms along our coastline and in our inland communities. I know the timing is this upcoming weekend, but we'll take the showers whenever we can get them. So there will be that equal opportunity for inland and coastal showers for the upcoming weekend. High steady in the upper 80s. We return to the lower 90s next work week with rounds of afternoon and evening thunderstorms, a typical rainy type season weather pattern.
Greg, thanks.